Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 222. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share with someone you think would enjoy our content. All right, so in case I didn't say it before, again, we're doing 222. Let's start with this box. We're missing a 5 and a 7. I don't see any help, so 5, 7, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3. 6 here, so 2, 3. So that means our 6 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. No, that's not right. 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 8, 6, and an 8 here. So this is our 2. That makes this our 8 and our 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 9. An 8 here and a 9 here. That means this is our 7. That 8 makes, or that 9 makes this our 8. So this is our 9. I think I got off a row there. 7, 8, 9. So for this row then, we're actually missing 1, 3, 5, 7. So we've got the 1 here and the 7 here. So 3, 5. And same here, 3, 5. That means that our 1 has to be here. And the only place our 7 can be is here. So for this box then, we're still missing 3, 4, and 5. The 4 can't be here or here. So this is our 4. For this box, we're missing 3 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. No help here. 1, 2, 7. Same here. 1, 2, 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 8. No help here. 1, 3, 6, 8. We've got a 3 and a 6 here, so 1, 8. 6 and 8 here, so 1, 3. 1 and 6 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 5 and 6 here, so 4, 7. 5, 6, and 7 here, so this is our 4. 5 and 7 here, so that makes this our 6. That 4 makes this our 7, 5. So we can get rid of this 7 here. That means the only place our 7 can be in this column is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 2. A 4 here, so 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. This box we're missing 3 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 here, a 2 here, so 5, 8. 3, 5 here, so 2, 8. And just to finish out this box, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here. So 1, 2, 8. And for this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 2 here. So 1, 8. For this column, 1, 2, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 and an 8 here. So this is our 3. Got the 5 there. So 8, 5. That 8 makes this our 1. That 1 makes this our 2, which makes this our 1. And then we can come back down here and get rid of this 1. And with this 1 and 8 here, we can get rid of that 1 and 8 there. So if we look back at this column, the only place our 6 can be is here. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. That 5 makes this our 3 and 5. That 3 makes this our 2, 3. The 3 makes this our 8, 3. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. The 3 comes up here, makes this our 1. So this is our 8. So for this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here. So 5, 4. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here. So this is our 2. A 9 here. So 1 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle, even with my mistake. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.